Good morning students, welcome to your computer class. In today's class we will revise number conversions, binary to decimal and decimal to binary conversions. So let's start.
So in our syllabus we will only learn the conversion from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So first we will learn decimal to binary conversion. Take any number, decimal number 37. Now to convert this decimal number to binary, we have to repeatedly divide this number by the base of binary number, which is 2. So I am dividing this 37 by 2. Write down the quotient here, 18, and remainder is 1. Record the remainder at the left hand side. What quotient you will get? Again you divide that quotient by 2. 9, remainder is 0. Put it here. Then 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. Write it this side. 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. So this way we will continue until we get 1. So here the quotient is 1. At this moment you stop and you read out all this remainder starting from last quotient till the first remainder to get the binary equivalent of this number. Or you can go for one more step. 2 0s are 0, remainder is 1. Now no need to take any quotient. You read out all this remainder in reverse order. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 and write down the base after it. So this is the binary equivalent of decimal 37. Understand, it's very easy. Repeatedly we have to divide the number by 2 as we are going to convert this decimal number to base 2 number system, means binary number system. What quotient we will get, that quotient again we have to divide by 2. This process will continue until we get the quotient 0, and all the recorded remainder we have to read from bottom to top in reverse order to get the binary equivalent of this decimal number. So understand decimal to binary conversion. Now we will learn binary to decimal conversion. Let us take this number only. We will convert this binary number to decimal to check whether we are getting this 37 or not. So I am writing this number here, 1 0 0 1 0 1 base 2. What we will get from this binary number? Decimal 37. Let's start. So in this decimal number, all the binary digits or bits, they have their place value. So rightmost digits place value is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in increasing order, place values will come from right to left. Now this place value plays an important role here. Each digit of this number, they have their weight. So how to calculate the weight? Base is 2 to the power the place value or positional value of the digit in the number. Let's take this digit 1. Here this 1's positional value is 2, but here 1's positional value is 0, and here this 1's positional value is 5. So to find out the weight of this one, what to do? 2 to the power its place value is 2, means 4. Now to find out the weight of this one in this number, 2 to the power its position is 5. So 2 to the power 5 means 32. So this way we can find out weight. This is weight of this one. And when we will multiply this weight with the digit, we will get the value of that digit. So value of the digit is 1 into 32, means 32. Now take this 0. Its weight is 2 to the power 1, means 2. So 0's weight is 2, but what is the value of this 0? 2 into 0 for 0. Its value is 0 in the number. Keeping these things, we have to find out the weight and value of each digit in this number. So let's take the rightmost digit 1. 1 into its weight is 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 0 means 1. Any number to the power 0 means 1. So 1 into 1 means 1. Take the next digit 0. Its weight is 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 means 2. But as we are multiplying with 0, we will get 0. Then next 1 into 2 to the power 2 means 4. Then again 0 into 2 to the power 3, no need to calculate, as 0 is there, you put 0 here. Then 0 into 2 to the power 4, again 0. Then first digit 1 into 2 to the power 5 means 32. Now 1 0 4 0 0 2, these are the value of these digits in the number. Now we have to calculate their sum to find out the value of this number. 32 plus 2 for 36 plus 1 for 37. See, 37. Okay, that means this is the decimal equivalent of this binary number. So this is binary to decimal conversion. Now from octal to decimal conversion and decimal to octal conversion, same process we will follow, but instead of 2 we will use 8 here. So octal to decimal conversion, what we will do, each digit will be multiplied with 8 to the power digits place value, and then they are summed to get the decimal equivalent. And decimal to octal conversion, instead of dividing the number by 2, we will divide the number here by 8. Now in case of hexadecimal to decimal conversion, each digit we have to multiply with 16 to the power digits position, and then they are summed to get the final decimal value. And now from decimal to hexadecimal conversion, decimal number need to be divided by 16, and then all the recorded remainder we have to write in reverse order as we have done here in decimal to binary conversion. And from hexadecimal to decimal conversion, each hexadecimal digit you have to multiply with 16 to the power each position in the number. Then the sum of the value of all these hexadecimal digits to get the decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number.
So today up to this much. Next day's worksheet is on your screen. Do it in your home and wait for your next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.